here. I'm at the Little Rock National Historic Site. Probably one of the biggest changes in history. It's actually a bit sad, but I've said. It's exciting that a few people can make such a wonderful change. Really sort of let you know the power of a single person and or a small community and what you can make it as a change to an entire nation. It's empowering. It's wonderful. It's a beautiful thing. Really makes you think what you can do when you stand for something and bring your rights and what you feel together. And yeah, it's very, very sad that we live in a world that people have such things as segregation and alienation. Slowly but eventually we are overcoming these things. We've got legalized gay marriage now. We're getting very close to equal rights for everyone, but it's still just a scary time when you think about how that we lived in a world that didn't exist just by default. It's terrible, but we're getting there, I guess, slowly.